beautifuls, it's Cook here. So today in this video I'm gonna show you 5 minute makeup tutorial for office or college. And this look you can do every day also. So if you're lazy or wake up late in the morning and run for your office or college every day, so you must try this 5 minute makeup tutorial which I have done today. It would be the same look. So if you like it, then please stay tuned with me. And here I have some surprising news for you, that I am providing free makeup and beauty consultation over phone call. So if you want to know more about this, DM me on Insta, or you can also ask me in the comment section. So in this free makeup and beauty consultation, you can ask me any question. So I will suggest you the products and whatever would be suitable for you as per your skin type. So stay tuned with me right now. So without wasting any time, I'm starting my makeup tutorial. Try this look and look like diva every day. So today I will show you complete face makeup tutorial step by step. So keep watching. So step number 1 is to moisturize your skin. So take your favorite moisturizer and apply it. I have already applied the moisturizer, so I will just jump to the step number 2. Step number 2, I am applying Maybelline New York Master Primer. It has lighter base and it will make your skin smoother and it will blur the flaws you have in your skin. You need very light quantity of it and simply apply it with your hands underneath your eyes and just dab and just dab on your skin with your fingers so it can set in your skin. It has just make my face settled and gives a lighter base on my skin. And here I have used my fingertips to apply it, as it is very easy to blend and it won't look heavy on your skin. You won't feel that you have applied something on your skin. And if you have any kind of redness on your skin, like you have red kind of skin, or if you have acne or any kind of redness if you have, so you can use Maybelline New York Master Primer in shade 300. So this is for redness. It also has a lighter base, so instead of using that shade of 100, you can use this one. It has same effect, but it's for red skin and it's come in the green tube, and the normal primer comes with the white tube, so you can see the difference. So in the third step I will apply compact. So I am using here Maybelline Fit Me in shade 120. It's classic ivory. So it's for fair skin and you can choose your compact shade as per your skin tone as you choose your foundation shade. So we won't use any foundation here because the primer we have used is already has a base, and Fit Me compact powder, it's like a powder foundation you can say. It gives you a medium coverage, and after applying this you won't feel like to apply any foundation and you will feel lighter on your face, and it looks very natural on your face, so nobody can say you that you have applied too much of makeup or base or something. To apply the compact or powder with the help of brush. If you don't have brush, then you can apply it with the sponge also, which comes with this compact. But whenever you apply compact or powder with the help of brush, it never goes cakey and it feels lighter on your skin. It never looks over on your face. So now base is done and we are moving on the eye makeup. And this is natural looking eye makeup. I am not going to use so many products in it, and this eye makeup will give you a fresh look, fresh open up eyes, and your face won't look tired. I like to start my eye makeup with eyebrows. So now I am filling my eyebrows. If you have fuller eyebrows, you can just skip it. Otherwise, just give it a fine shape with eyebrow pencil and you are done. So now first shade I am using is warm brown. Apply it on your crease of your eye. This will give your eyes a depth. Always apply color from your outer edge of your eyes and blend it towards the inner corner of your eyes. I'm using Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette. If you don't have eyeshadow palette, you can use any contour shade. Now take more color, apply on your lid and blend it well. This is just a base color, apply it very light, just give a wash with it. Now apply same shade on your lower lash line, start from the edge of your eyes. Now take brown pencil eyeliner, or you can use lip liner as well. Apply it on your lower lash line. Don't apply it on your waterline. Now apply same pencil on your upper eyelid like eyeliner and blend it with your fingers or brush. This will give your eyes a nice shape and you need not to use any kind of eyeliner. Don't apply too much to the inner corner, just try to be on outer edge of your eyes and blend it with your finger or brush towards the inner corner. If you want to use brush, then take a blending brush. Now take black pencil or eyebrow pencil and apply it on the outer edge of your eyes. This will make your eyes look fresh, bigger and open. Apply it on your upper waterline too. Now complete the look by applying a mascara. So try to use volumizing mascara because you are not using any kind of kajal or eyeliner here. Apply it on upper and lower both lashes. So finally the natural looking eye makeup is done. So now it's time to apply a layer blush on your cheeks. Here I am using peach shade blush from Pacey Cosmetics. Finally, last but not the least, it's time to apply lipstick. I'm using a nude shade from Color Bar. Its shade is Grape. It has peachy color and it looks very natural on your lips. If you are doing this look for college, so you can use just a tinted lip balm or a lip gloss and you are done. So guys, this was a tutorial for office or college look. Hope you like it and try this look and share your pictures with me on my Instagram. I will share the best copied look on my Insta story and feed. This look looks very natural on your face. You won't feel like you have applied too many products, and if you want to skip the blush, you can also skip it. You will look simply flawless and beautiful with this look. Any questions, ask me in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And if you like the video, please give thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I upload any new video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm coming soon with new video. Till then, stay connected, keep in touch, and lots of love. Take care.